Well, my friends, this is the video of a child age about 8 years. The child age about 8 years cannot walk, হাঁটানো একা একদম হাঁটতে পারে না, দাঁড়াতে পারে, একা দাঁড়াতেই পারে না, ক্যান স্ট্যান্ড প্রপারলি, ক্যান ওয়াক। হাঁটানোর চেষ্টা করো দেখি, একদম কোনো পারলই না আজ পর্যন্ত। ওয়াকার কিনে দিয়েছ, ওয়াকার দিয়ে হাঁটে যাওনি। সো ফর হুইচ, so cannot walk, 8 years old child, 8 years old child cannot walk properly. There is gross muscular weakness, difficulty in walking, and nystagmus, cataract, squint. Optic nerve and the optic path is disturbed. There is cataract, squint, cataract, squint, because there is bilateral optic pathway defect. Bilateral optic pathway defect. So, for which she had consulted with many hospitals, including Bangalore, Nimans, and other neurological hospitals, but no improvement. This is very pathetic. The child cannot walk properly, cannot stand even, due to gross muscular weakness. Gross muscular weakness, with eye troubles, cataract and squint. The baby is observed to have difficulty walking and nystagmus, suspected congenital myopathy, suspected congenital muscular dystrophy, suspected congenital myasthenia gravis or myasthenic syndrome. Eye examination reported bilateral retinal optic pathway defect. MRI brain reported inferior vermis of the hypoplasia with prominent posterior fossa, with prominent elongated superior cerebellar peduncles, Joubert syndrome. Now the question 2. Number 1, there are 2 questions. Why the child has developed such difficulties, such neurological difficulties? And number 2, what will be our approach of treatment? The difficulty, we may think, due to consanguineous marriage. In some religion in our country and the Western Asia, there is consanguineous marriage. That is marriage between the same blood group, marriage between the uncle's daughter, maternal uncle's daughter, or the daughter is marrying with the paternal uncle's sister, etc. This is called consanguineous marriage. From the very ancient period in the Hindu mythology, this is totally absurd. They didn't allow. But in some religion, it has been accustomed, and medical science is telling that there is some disturbances. Several studies reveal that consanguineous marriage were associated with the incidence of several single gene and multifactorial diseases and congenital malformations, including bronchial asthma, hearing defect, that means the vestibulocochlear nerve defect, eye defect, that means the trochlear and abducent nerve and the optic nerve defect. There may be chance of sickle cell anemia, there may be chance of heart diseases, etc., etc. So, this is very bad custom. for consanguineous marriage. We are not yet sure the child has developed due to consanguineous marriage of the parents or not, but we have studied in practice of medicine consanguineous marriage, that means the marriage between the same blood groups, both paternal and maternal side, may produce various nerve diseases and muscular diseases or heart diseases, etc. So marriage should always be non-consanguineous. That means not within the blood-related circle. It is established truth which has been running, established from the very old period in the Hindu system. Now this child requires calcarea car. There is profuse perspiration, catches cold very easily, fearfulness, fear of alone, desire for meat, not egg, but meat, and the palms and soles profusely perspires, cold, হাতের তলা পায়ের তলা বেশি ঘামে এবং ঠান্ডা হয়ে যায়. So cold perspiration in the palms and soles, and fearfulness, and constipated, and fear of alone, and this maldevelopment, this delayed development, we may think of calcarea. On medicine will be at our hand, that is tuberculinum, because there is a tuberculosis history in the family. Mother suffered from tuberculosis, maternal grandfather suffered from tuberculosis, and catches cold very easily. So tuberculinum should be at our hand, and presently we do like to prescribe calcarea in 50 millisimal scale of potencies, 1 to 8, twice in a day, and tuberculinum is at our hand. Let's see the result, how much improvement we may expect from this greatest antipsychotic of Hahnemann, calcarea for this poor child, who is this innocent child, poor child, whether she will be able to walk or not. Let's see the result, my friends. I shall share it.